How are you? All right, now investigate fractions and fraction problems. So this is the second day of week 2 online learning. So how are you guys? Hope you're fine. All right, now. So this is the fifth topic that we are going to learn today. So investigate fractions and fraction problems. Also, it's about fractions. Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Investigate fractions. Okay, now what I want you guys to do is, okay, I will attach another video, okay, another YouTube video which I uploaded in YouTube um, on calculations on fractions. Okay, I will attach the video in Google Classroom for you to refer in order to complete page 20. Investigate fractions. If you look at page 20, they are talking about finding fractions of amounts. Example, in challenge 1, number 1, they want you to find the answer for 1 over 2 of 12. Okay, don't worry, the video will explain you clearly on how to do the method and find the answer. Okay, now let's look at the next slide. Alright, so now this slide is talking about fraction problems, which is page 21. Okay, if you look at the working here, which I cropped and pasted here, this is the part of working where you will do the same working in page 20. Okay, now I will teach you how to interpret this question. This question is taken from challenge 1 number 1. Challenge 1 number 1, page 21. Okay, I will explain the question to you. I will explain the working too. Okay, if you don't understand, replay this video again and again. Alright, okay, listen carefully guys. Fraction problems. Luis gets £6 pocket money every week. Guys, every week, not every day. Every week. In a week, we have 7 days. Now, Luis gets £6 pocket money every week. He always spends half on a comic. Half. Guys, half, half. Half. Always remember, divide 2. Okay, in fraction, half means 1 over 4. Is it 1 over 4? No, half means 1 over 2. Okay, now how much does the comic cost? Very simple. Luis gets £6 pocket money every week. £6 every week, guys. So you just remember, put £6 in your mind. From £6, he spends half on a comic. Guys, half is 1 over 2. So you have to find out what is 1 over 2 from 6. What is 1 over 2 of 6? Okay, how much does the comic cost? Now look at the working here guys. Okay, let me get a pen. All right, now 1 over 2 of 6. Okay, now what you have to do is, if you see here, I used a bar method. Bar method is the reason I used bar method is to help you visualize things. Okay, in order to do word problems, try to draw or imagine or visualize. Okay, you will be able to find the answer easily rather than reading the words again and again. All right, now 1 over 2 of 6. So what you have to do is, you have to draw a long rectangle box first. Okay, if you see here, a long rectangular box, you have to draw this first. After that, draw 6 boxes inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the last one is 6. So how many boxes? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. Okay, so now what you have to do is, look at the number down here. Oh, sorry, wait guys, let me get an eraser. Okay, Look at the number down here, 1 over 2. Okay, if you see there's a number 2 here. So what you have to do is count 2, 1, 2, and then you cut 1, 2, cut 1, 2, cut the last part. So how many groups here? 1, 2, 3 groups. 3 groups. So half of 6 is 3. So what is 1 over 2 of 6? Half of 6 and 1 over 2 of 6 are same thing, guys. So the answer is 3. 3 pounds. Okay? Easy, guys? Easy, right? Okay. So now, if you don't understand, please replay this video again and again. Can, guys? Okay, now let's move to the next slide. Okay, happy trying page 20 and 21. Okay, in page 20, I want you to do so challenge 1, number 1 and number 2, challenge 2, number 1 and number 2, challenge 3, number 1 and number 2 also. In page 21, fraction problems, I want you to do challenge 1, number 1 and number 3, challenge 2, number 2 and number 4, challenge 3, number 1 and number 3. Okay, please do it in maths too. Okay, guys, thank you. Bye.